ಹಾಯ್ ಹೆಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಕುಣಬಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷಣದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟದ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೊಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್, as we all know that we have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation called as Republic Day of India. I would like to narrate a Republic Day speech in front of you. First of all, I would like to say a lot of thanks my class teacher, as just because for I have got such a wonderful opportunity in my school to come on this stage and speak something about my beloved country on its great occasion of Republic Day. India is a self-governing country since 15th August 1947. India got independence from the British rule on 15th of August 1947, which we celebrate as Independence Day. However, on 26th of January since 1950, we celebrate as Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into force on the 26th of January in 1950. So, we celebrate this day as the Republic Day every year. This year, 2026, we are celebrating 77th Republic Day. Republic means the supreme of power of the people living in the country, and only public has rights to elect their representatives as a political leader to lead the country in right direction. So India is a republic country. We public elects its leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot to the Purna Swaraja in India. They did so that their future generations may live without struggle and lead country ahead. The name of great Indian leaders and freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, etc. They fight continuously against the British rule to make India a free country. We can never forget their sacrifice towards our country. We should remember them on such great occasion and salute them. It has become possible just because of them that we can think of our own mind and live freely in our nation without anyone's force. Our first Indian Prime Minister was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who said that we find the whole of this vast land brought together under the jurisdictions of one constitution and one union, which takes our responsibility for the welfare of more than 320 million men and women inhabit it. How shame to is say that still we are fighting against crime, corruption and violence in the form of terrorist, rape, theft, riots, strikes, etc. In our country, again, there is a need to get together to save our country from such slavery as it is pulling our nation back from going into its mainstream of development and progress. We should aware of our social issues like poverty, un- unemployment, literacy, global warming, inequality, etc. In order to solve them to go ahead, Dr. Abdul Kalam has said that if a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key socialistic members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. As a citizen of the country, we should think seriously about it and do all possible efforts to lead our nation. Lead our nation. One day, Mataran. Thanks for watching Kunbi Brothers.